What is up, folks? We are back here with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the John Cena Never Seen 17 side plates. Let's get into it. I've been waiting since his retirement match to get these. Here we go. Ooh, that looks sweet. Look at that case on there. Let's get this thing out. See the 17 all over it. 17 time, never seen 17. Sweet, let's unbox it. Here's it on all unboxed. I really love the side plate case, and this is one of the main reasons why I wanted these side plates. Let's open them up. Oof. Dang, those look nice. Let's take them out the box. Here's this one. And here's the 17 time one. These are going to look good on the belt. Let's go put them on the belt and show you how they look. Super sick. And here is my belt with the side plates all on it. As you can see, I have the 2015 Network Championship. And here you go. Really sick side plates, honestly, some of my favorites of the recent years. Let me know what you guys think of them down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I know this wasn't our usual content, but we are going to be going to WrestleMania this April, so I'm super excited for it. I'm definitely going to be having a vlog series for you guys here on the channel, so just wanted to show you another one of my passions. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. We have a lot more content coming soon and another Disney video coming this week. Thank you guys so much and have a great week.